Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. It always warms up my heart when I see generative AI in action in the real world use cases. This is where I'm going to introduce you to a tool called as SupplySeer, which enables you to use some of the models in supply chains field to optimize it. This tool, which is called as SupplySeer, is a Python library focused on providing the tools and methods for real-world supply chain and logistic challenges. Supply chain is the heart and core of any enterprise out there. If your supply chain is healthy and performant and optimized, everything will revolve around it pretty nicely. If it is sick, then your whole organization will just go down the drain gradually. SupplySeer tries to make sure that the supply chain processes are intelligent enough. It uses forecasting models like neural networks, mixture density networks, ARIMA, and lot of others in order to optimize the modeling and time series analysis. It uses complex metrics and tools for deep analysis. It also uses dynamic Bayesian EOQ and traditional EOQ, and it also enables you to do scheduling and a routing solution. And that is where, in my opinion, this really shines. In supply chain, scheduling and routing of vehicles and drivers is a must. There have been a lot of tools out there which do that, but in my opinion I have seen that this open source tool really makes it quite easier, and we will also see it hands on locally after installing it. So let's get started. Before I move forward, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page. It is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Let me take you to my local system. Let's try to get it installed. Let's create a virtual environment so that we will uh, won't impact any other installations on the system. A virtual environment is created. Installation of SupplySeer is very simple through pip. Let's wait for it. Shouldn't take too long. It's very lightweight, and that is what I really like about it. We also need to git clone the repo just to install some of the requirements, as I will be showing you one of the demo with it, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. And let's install the requirements, and they're not much. There are NumPy and few others, and everything is installed now. Let's launch our Jupyter notebook and we will play around with this tool in the browser environment. Now while it launches, let me tell you what exactly we are going to do. So the problem, very common problem in supply chain, is around scheduling of truck drivers for deliveries. So let's think of a problem and we are going to solve it with this. Let's suppose a logistic company needs to schedule 4 truck drivers for deliveries over a 3-day period. Each day is split into 3 main delivery windows: morning, afternoon, and evening. Each delivery window must be covered by one driver, and no driver can cover more than one window per day. To maintain a work-life balance, each driver must be assigned to at least 2 delivery windows over the 3 days. Also, a human truck driver cannot work in the morning the day after if they had the evening shift the day before. In some countries, this is both illegal according to law or labor union forbids it. So this is a problem which we are going to solve. So we are going to do truck driver routing scheduling with the help of this tool. And let's do it. Let me launch my Jupyter notebook. So this is my Jupyter notebook. Let me first import the libraries which we have installed from this SupplySeer. So the libraries have been installed. Next, let's try to do some variables. So we are saying, okay, we have 4 drivers, we have 3 days, we have 3 shifts in a day, and solution to search is 5. So 5 means that we want the optimizer SupplySeer to give us 5 solutions for this problem. That we have 4 truck drivers, the delivery period is 3 consecutive days, the working schedule is 3 shifts per day. Okay, so let's set it. That's done. Now let's initialize the truck driver optimizer with all of these variables. So this is a truck model, and then we are simply giving all the variables and we are done adding these constraints to it. And that is done. Let's also initialize our truck solver. That is also correct. And now tell the solver to start the optimization process by simply calling the solve with callback. There you go. So this is the solution where it has said, okay, for day 0, driver 0 covers delivery window 2, driver 1 is off duty, whereas driver 2 and 3 are covering these windows 0 and 1. And then come day 1, then this is the schedule, and then this is the schedule. And if you look closely, it has followed all the constraints which we have given it. And the beauty of this solution is that it is quite scalable. For example, if you have 10 drivers, you have 7 days, you have number of shift days, what do you do? So for example, if I say, okay, let's try to solve this, I'm just going to run this, sorry, and then I'm just going to run that again, the optimizer. There you go. So for all 6 days, for all these 10 drivers from 0 to 9, it has given us this scheduling. And you can of course scale is with number of trucks, with number of drivers, and this could go on for all the variables. So this is how cool, lightweight, and amazingly performant this SupplySeer is. So really like it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this. Before I let you go, I also wanted to introduce you to the Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. I haven't really used the GPU for this, but if you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. So do check them out. Very good pricing and very performant and easy to deal with company this Massed Compute is. And towards the end, one thing I would like to point out is that not only it is great for this driver and scheduling. For example, you can also control your demand and inventory. For example, a supply chain department for a, let's say, retail company needs to balance their inventory and demand such that there is also enough inventory to match the demand, but the inventory is not allowed to go below a certain level nor above a certain level. You can also optimize that. We already saw how to optimize a truck driver scheduling problem, and there could be a lot of other use cases where you can check it out. I will drop the link to its repo in video's description. Let me know what you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for all the support and watching.